In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can upload high-quality reels on Instagram. If you find your posted reels of low quality, simply watch this video until the very end to improve your content creation game. In your Instagram Reels section, you will find different kind of video quality content. There is high quality and low quality reels. To make sure you upload quality resolution reels, all you need to do this just head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, you will have to scroll down into the section of your app and media. Then select the second last option of data usage and media quality. Make sure to first turn off this first option of using less data. This highly affects your experience on Instagram as videos and photos take long to load. Then enable this option of upload at highest quality. All your reels will be uploaded at the best quality. This only works before uploading. Recently shared reels won't change in picture quality. That's how easy it is to post high-quality reels on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.